Hi everyone, it's Anna here. Just wanted to put together a quick video to show you how to access the team sign up page for the second assignment or the group work in this unit. Hi everyone, it's Anna here. I just wanted to put together a quick video to show you how to use the team sign up page for the group assessment in this unit. It's a pretty simple process, but you just need to know where to go. So what you need to do is go into the unit that the group assignment's in, and then head over to the learning group level. So yours will look a little bit different to mine, but you need to access the learning group for the group that you're in. And then instead of going to the discussion page, which is where you would normally go to access the group discussions for our learning group, you need to go into the pages section, and then you'll see that there's a team sign up page here. So just click on that, and then the information is all there, and this is where you'll sign up to join your teams. It's great to see that there's a few people signed up already. So then what you need to do is go into the edit section, and it will let you come in on this post. Now just be really careful that you don't accidentally delete this post or edit it so that only the thing you type comes up, because that will actually wipe out the rest of the post and we'll lose all our people already. So then you just go into whichever team you want to put your name, and then your email address here. And then when you've finished, you just click save, and it will save that in the section there, so we'll know that you're in the team. Once your teams have been formed and filled up, I will go in and create a discussion board for just your team, so only people in your team can access it, and then I'll come in here and post the link in there. Once you've completed that, I'll also send you an email with access to that link and also the names of all your team members so that you can get started on your discussion board. So that's the process that we follow. It's pretty straightforward once you know where you're going on in Canvas. But if you do have any questions or you get lost, please get in touch and I'll point you in the right direction. Thanks guys.